Have you ever wondered if there could be another Earth, just like ours, hidden on the other side of the sun? A tantalizing thought, isn't it? This hypothetical planet, forever concealed in the sun's blinding glare, is a concept that tickles the imagination. Let's delve into the realm of physics for a moment. The principle of gravitational stability suggests that two planets could indeed share the same orbit, forever dancing in a cosmic ballet around our radiant sun. This intriguing possibility isn't a new one. In fact, it dates back to ancient Greece, where the concept of a counter-Earth was born. This unseen twin, a mirror image of our own world, has fascinated humans for centuries, sparking countless debates and inspiring myriad works of fiction. So, as we gaze up at our night sky, we can't help but wonder. Imagine a world where another civilization may be looking up at their night sky, pondering the same questions we are. But how would we even know if there's a planet lurking on the other side of our sun? It's a question that has tickled the minds of many. Astronomers have a toolbox of methods to detect planets far beyond our solar system. The gravitational wobble, for instance, where the tiny tug of a planet causes its star to wobble just a smidge. Or the transit method, where a planet passing in front of its star causes a tiny but detectable dip in the star's brightness. However, these methods hinge on observation, and quite frankly, we can't observe what's directly behind the sun from our vantage point on Earth. It's like trying to peer around a corner without leaving your seat. It's simply not possible with our current technology. Now you might be thinking, what about Lagrange points? These are locations in space where the gravitational forces of two large bodies, like Earth and the Sun, balance the centrifugal force felt by a smaller object, like a planet. The L3 point is where our hypothetical twin Earth would be. But here's the catch. The L3 point is unstable. Any slight nudge, and a planet sitting there would drift away, eventually spiraling into a completely different orbit. Our current technology may not be able to detect such a hidden twin, but who knows what the future holds? The universe is vast and mysterious, and there's always more to discover, just waiting beyond the next sunrise. Now let's delve into the realm of the extraordinary. What if this hypothetical planet was very similar to Earth? Picture this, a planet nestled in the same cozy orbit as ours, with a similar atmosphere, vast oceans, and perhaps even life. Imagine looking up at the sky, knowing that somewhere out there, beyond our sight, is a planet twinned with ours. But let's not stop at just life. What if the life on this planet has evolved to become intelligent? What if there exists a civilization, not unlike our own, thriving on this hidden twin of Earth? The mere thought is enough to send ripples of excitement and terror through us. This brings us to the Fermi paradox, the seeming contradiction between high estimates of the probability of extraterrestrial life and the lack of evidence or contact with such civilizations. For decades, we've been scanning the stars, listening for a signal, a sign of life. But what if that life was right under our noses, hidden by the sun itself? The implications are staggering. Finding life on another planet has been a dream of humanity for centuries. But to find a civilization so similar to ours, so close yet so hidden, would be a revelation beyond our wildest dreams. It would fundamentally alter our understanding of life in the universe, forcing us to rethink our place in it. The discovery of such a civilization would indeed shake the foundations of our understanding of life in the universe. As we conclude, let's leave you with an intriguing thought. Imagine for a moment if this hypothetical twin Earth exists. Could there be an alternate version of you, of me, of everyone we know? If so, what would they be like? Would they share our dreams, our fears, our hopes? Would their history mirror ours, filled with triumphs and tragedies? Or would they have charted a completely different path? Would their world wars, scientific breakthroughs, and cultural revolutions echo ours? Or would they tell a wholly unique story of civilization? These are profound philosophical questions, and they challenge our understanding of uniqueness, identity, and the very nature of life itself. They remind us that the universe is not just a physical place, but a canvas for the imagination, a playground for the mind. As we gaze into the cosmos, we are reminded that the universe is full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled. And maybe, just maybe, there's another us out there, pondering the same mysteries on their version of Earth.